Hello, traders. Hello, YouTube. I'm Will Bridges. Welcome back to 123 Trade. So what we've got for you today, you may have just set up a trading account. You want to know how to actually trade with it. So I've got this account. My money is now over here. How do I trade it? Where do I go to do that? How do I set up my Smarttrader platform? How do I set up my Metatrader 4 platform? That is what we are about to put on display for you today. So if you want to keep getting more of this content, and you haven't already, then by all means go ahead and press the thumbs up button below to like this video. Subscribe, ring the bell. You're going to want to see what we come out with next here, folks. But let's go ahead and get things rocking and rolling. I want to make sure I cover my bases. As usual, I want to make sure that everyone understands everything we show on this channel here is for educational purposes. And what this is saying, and you've seen a million of these, if you've ever invested in anything, you've probably heard me say it already, but if you put your money into the Forex market or any market for that matter, your money is at risk. So you do not want to trade with money you cannot afford to lose. There is no such thing as a guaranteed winning investment. There's good ideas, no guarantees. Only thing you can control is your risk. You cannot control the market. So let's go ahead and keep on rolling here. Many of you may have already just set up your account with the previous video. There is a link for that that should be popping up somewhere right now. If you have not seen how to set up an account yet with us to get our premium access and get access to free trading rooms and Smarttrader and all that stuff, then you are going to want to watch that video and go ahead and get set up. But for right now, okay, I want to show you guys how to have not only your Smarttrader platform, okay, this is where, you're going to want to use that smart Fibonacci tool I showed in the first video with our election rally prediction. You can monitor multiple trading accounts in here. And if you want to look at live trades, this is our election rally prediction below. We're up 1,600 pips in active trades. That puts us over 4,000 so far, folks. So if you want to get live updates and come to our live sessions, then by all means, send us an email to brokers@123trade.com, and we can help you get your access today. But let's go ahead and show you how to hook this up. Many of you, let's just say you might already be in your back office. What I'm going to do is I'm going to log in real quick. And I'm going to start off, I'm going to show you more or less how to get Metatrader 4 and where to get your Metatrader 4 information, because you're going to need your server number, you're going to need your account number for Metatrader 4. You need that to hook up your Smarttrader platform, as well as any mobile trading that you want to do as well. There'll be another video for setting up your mobile device. But this is going to be for Smarttrader and Metatrader 4. You do want both. Redundancy is good to have. So we've just logged into the My Account page, and this is where you actually go to download Metatrader 4 as well. So right here where it says download, okay, this is my real account. Okay, if I want to download Metatrader 4 for my demo account, all that stuff is down here. If you want to add another demo account, that's straightforward. You do it from here, demo account. I'll click on that and just show you real quick. But demo account, you just pick what type of account you want, submit, straightforward. So if you want to add a demo account, that's where you would do that. But as far as hooking it up to Smarttrader, doesn't make sense. Smarttrader has a built-in demo account that doesn't expire. This demo account from AvaTrade and most brokers is going to expire after 21 days, and you're going to lose all your information, probably be annoyed. So just use the Smarttrader demo to avoid that. And let's just show you, I'm going to go ahead and copy this right here. Copy my account number. I'm on Ava Real 2. Okay, so I need to make sure that I pay attention to the fact that that's the server I'm on. I'm clicking download. Now this Ava FX underscore 2020.exe is downloading. So once it finishes, I'm going to click on the link here. This is now my computer is going to ask if I want to allow this to install. Go ahead and put in my password. And we should be downloading it now. We are. You'll see a little pop-up. I'll pull this over to the screen. Okay, this is what you'll see. Click on next. Now all these happy people wave at you for a minute. And soon, there's going to be a web page that pops up for MQL5 support. You don't necessarily need to do anything with that. You don't need to set up an MQL5 account unless you want to join their forums and become a developer. And let's just say that's not for everybody. But hey, you might be interested in it, so I'm not telling you it's bad. Just saying it's probably a waste of your time. I'm going to click on Finish. So what it's doing now, it's going to install the application. It should pop up here in a moment. There we go. Here it is. First thing it's going to do, it's going to ask me for my server. Looks like we may already be hooked up, actually. So let's see. I have a demo. Let's go ahead and click on File, log into Trade Account. Okay. Since I clicked on that, I get this little pop-up. I've got multi-screen set up here, folks, so it just kind of appeared on a different page, but this will be on your home page. What I'm going to do, I just pasted my account number that I took from the back office of AvaTrade. This is my real account. The password is the same as my demo. I just need to make sure I click from the down arrow over here on the right, and I choose my proper server. I was AvaReal 2. You may be AvaReal 3, 4, 5, 1. Whatever it is, it needs to match what's in your back office. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on Login. Okay, so we get that noise. Now here's my live account. It's hooked up. We're ready to go. I can trade it from here. Okay, so now I have a backup. If I'm using Smarttrader, okay, if something happens with Smarttrader, I have a backup. This is a direct connect to the broker. You can also have this application on your phone. If you want to run trading automations, anything like that, a lot of time traders are going to do it from this platform because you get a consistent data feed, you get a consistent bandwidth. It's a standalone software program. You're not relying on how much your browser allows for a particular window to use power-wise. So a lot of people do trade with automations from this platform, and that's probably what you're going to use it for if you are going to trade from it, because primarily you're going to want to use Smarttrader. Okay, you just want to have redundancy. Okay, so now that we've set this up, okay, I'm going to take my same information. I'm going to go over to Smarttrader. Okay, and now that we're in Smarttrader, if I want to hook up this account, this is going to be pretty straightforward. I click on Manage Accounts. Okay, I click on Add once this Trading Account Manager window pops up. And now I'm going to go ahead and select Live because this is a live account. Put in the broker number. Nope, excuse me, put that on the wrong line. Put that in the account number. Here we go. Broker, this is a drop-down list. You need to make sure you select from the list. You cannot type into this bar. It won't work. So I'm going to choose my same server just like I did in Metatrader 4 and my password. Okay. If you can't hook up Smarttrader, main reason why I wanted to show you how to install Metatrader 4 first is because if you can't hook up Smarttrader 99% of the time, it's because your password doesn't work. So easy way to check to see if your password is correct is to see if your Metatrader 4 account works. Nickname, you can call this whatever you want. I'm going to call mine Boat because that's what I want to buy with my trading account. Straightforward. But once you finish that, you go ahead and you click on Connect. Okay, you wait. Things happen in the abyss. Now we're hooked up. You see Boat just popped up. There's the nickname. If I want to make this my default and monitor all of the, pip profit loss, net profit loss, margin, equity, all those numbers, if I want that to be for my new Boat account, all I have to do is change over to that account. I can change to another default. I can have multiple different trading accounts running here if I want. I can set up several different accounts in AvaTrade. You can have 30 of them in there if you want in AvaTrade. So, by all means, this is a fairly straightforward setup, but something a lot of people need help with. If you do have issues, okay, and say, for example, you log out of Smarttrader, you come back later, and your account's just not hooked up. Maybe it's there, and it's just switched off like that. Okay, so if your account is switched off and you didn't switch it off yourself, okay, and this happens, so I want to make sure people understand how easy it is to fix it. Okay, so if that happens, you click on this pencil. Okay, now all I have to do is log back in. Because for whatever reason, I got booted from the server. Now I'm back on. Okay, that type of thing is one big reason why you're going to want to also have something like Metatrader 4. Okay. So this Metatrader 4 instance, this is hooked up to our election rally prediction, all of the same trades that I showed you in the other window. And just to show you, confirm this with you guys. Okay, we're up $140 and change, whatever, on these micro lot positions because we wanted to show people how much money you could make conservatively and trade the smallest position possible. Okay, hey, we're here to teach you. I'm not here to help you get hurt. Not everybody's ready to trade standard lot positions. We want to help you get there. So that's what's running over here. Let's go back over to Smarttrader here, and I'll show you what's going on over there, okay? And we're looking at the same thing, okay? So here are all of our open trades in Smarttrader. We're up 1,600 pips right now, okay? Which is pretty good, I think. But generally speaking, okay, this is our dollar prediction I'm showing you here. I've got it in both of these windows, okay? So this is a pretty straightforward thing. We just want to make sure that we take everybody through the entire process. You understand how everything works. There are more videos to come. If you have not yet, go ahead, press the thumbs up button if you like this video. Subscribe. Ring the bell. We'll see you again soon, traders.